Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to open a Trust Wallet. So let's get started. Open Trust Wallet on your phone. Click on Create a new wallet. It will require you to create a passcode for your Trust Wallet. Go ahead and create a passcode, but make sure not to forget it. Confirm the passcode. Next, it will ask how you want to back up your secret phrase. Click on the option that suits you better. For the sake of this video, I'm going to click on Backup Manually. Read and check all the information provided to understand how to keep the secret phrases safe. Click on all three of them and hit Continue. Write down the secret phrase, ensuring to keep it very safe, and then click Continue. Confirm the secret phrase by selecting the words it asks for and click Confirm. That's it. Your Trust Wallet is now done and ready to go. I hope this video helped you, and I will see you in the next one.